Just in case you guys see anybody anywhere over there, it's my son, okay? Don't get spooked. I grab the Soap and Glory Deep Cleansing Milk, which is this one right here. And I will wet my face a little bit. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to wet it. I usually wet my face. And I'll put, let me see, 1, 2, 3 pumps. If I still have makeup on, I'll do 3 pumps. If it's like just a regular day when I don't have makeup on and I'm just cleansing my face, I'll do 2 pumps. Alright, so we're gonna rub that everywhere. Get right in there. Make sure you get in the corner of your nose. We don't want any pores created on there. Got the eyebrows too. This also melts off your makeup, so instead of wiping it, you can just do this and it'll melt everything off. Alright. Then I'm gonna rinse it really quick and I'll be right back. I rinsed it. My face is still a little bit wet. I'm just gonna dab this on just to, I don't want it fully dry because I'm just gonna exfoliate next, but I also don't want it fully wet. Before I go in with my exfoliant, if I am hairy, I go ahead and use my razor right here. I was gonna say shaver. Well, it does shave you, but my razor, this one right here, and I just go ahead and shave my whole face. So let me go ahead and do that. You guys can watch. So I do my eyebrows too. This is how I do my eyebrows. In case you wanted to know, this is how I do my eyebrows. I shape them with this razor. Like so. Wouldn't suggest you use it at all. Yeah. Okay, so let me go ahead and do my lip. Y'all can see, y'all, it's probably like this nasty. Let me not show you. That's all the hairs. Alright, now that the shaving part is done, I only exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. You're only supposed to do it once, twice at most. But since I have been breaking out, my skin's been really bad, I've been doing it 2 to 3 times a week, okay? So, but don't do that. Do it once, the most, twice a week. And I, usually my eyelids are not this pink. The eyeshadow stained. Just in case I haven't mentioned it yet. Now, I use the, well, I switch off and on. This is one of the ones, this is a drugstore one that I use. The Neutrogena Clears Breakouts Oil-Free Acne Wash. This one right here. So, sometimes I'll use this one. Other times I'll use the, oh, what's the other one I use? Oh my god, I forgot. Well, sometimes I use this one, and then sometimes I use a different one. A higher end one. And I will exfoliate. I don't rub this into my skin for too long, simply because I do exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. So I don't want to overdo it. No, even though I am overdoing it already just by doing it 3 to 4 times or 2 to 3 times a week, but you know what I mean. Mario Badescu whitening mask. This one right here. For all these dark spots, yeah. So, and since I am going to be staying in the rest of today, I'm going to be doing this mask. So I'll grab some like so on my finger, and usually I will only apply this either the bottom half of my face and a tiny bit on my forehead. I don't apply too much simply because I don't have dark spots everywhere, so I only apply it mainly on the dark spot areas, like this one right here, or discolored areas. This one. It'll kind of blend them all together. I will definitely do this right here and this right here and this right here, because that is definitely not. Oh, and then definitely my chin. Okay, and then whatever is left on my finger, I'll put that on my forehead. Don't apply too much on my forehead because my forehead's not, doesn't have dark spots like that. Let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And while that sits, I usually will apply some of the Hydrogel Eye Mask 24 Karat Magic by Ulta Beauty. These ones right here. These ones. They look like, let me show you. Let me show y'all. They look like so. Okay. And I will apply those under my eyes. Usually I will only apply these if I haven't slept good during the week. And I have bags like I do right now. They were worse last week. Alright, so let me grab one. It's hard. These are hard to grab. Alright, so here is one. Make sure your hands are clean when you apply anything on your face. Alright. Oh. Alright, this one's on. Alright, that one's on. Let me put the next one on. What they look like. Let me push them down just a little bit more because they're almost in my eye. I'm also going to let them sit along with the mask, and once the 5 to 10 minutes pass by, usually I'll let them on for the full 10 minutes, especially the mask, so it can, you know, be more effective. Yeah, so let me go ahead and wait the 10 minutes, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to rinse it off, take these off, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do next, okay? Alright, I'm back now. I took off the mask and the eye gel mask things. Go ahead and throw on some moisturizer. This is the one I use right here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on some moisturizer. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over. Now that that's on, now all I really do last is I will spray some hydrating facial mist by Jared Cosmetics. This one right here. I'll shake it first because I feel like everything just sits on the bottom. And then I'll just spray some. So this is what my skin looks like. I know I'm breaking out. I know I'm, oh my god, I know. But here, let me, can y'all see it right? Looks so clean. Squeaky clean. Okay, well yeah, that is my skincare routine. I hope you all enjoyed it.